We thought we were buying a 1979 Ford truck. Turns out we had just qualified ourselves for the Redneck Olympics.
Next up, 1588. I got a Honda Park motorcycle in the back, little brown one. That's a cute little bike. Let's get it right here. Got $20 on the left. Now 30.
We're so redneck.
It looks like the truck broke.
Whoa!
Please, go get out of there.
Oh, there you go.
No!
Come on now.
I don't know if this is gonna work out. It's gonna need to go over.
Oh, that's nice.
Careful, it's slippery.
Yeah, especially.
I got it.
There's the mall hammer.
Whoa.
It's kind of optional what you're thinking.
Welcome to Louisiana.
There's a rainbow.
What? A rainbow!
We see rainbows as a sign of God's promises. And for this day, we had no idea what that meant. We arrived a day before the auction to preview everything. The pine forest of northwest Louisiana made a beautiful backdrop. And when we pulled into the auction, it was like stepping into a retirement home for farm equipment. Seriously, if tractors could retire, this would be their Florida. And here's the closest beachy retirement music I could find. There were a lot. It wasn't just tractors out there either. There were old trucks, lawnmowers, motorcycles, boat engines. Pretty much anything with a motor found its way here to live out its last days. Let's pause for a second and think about these old trucks. Once someone's first set of wheels. Decades ago, they hauled families and bushels of homegrown food. The tractors once plowed and harvested the fields, carving a living from the land for the farmers and ranchers. They weren't built to be pretty, they were built for work, and they worked hard until they couldn't anymore. Maybe they're not ready to be scrapped. Maybe they've just been taking a really long nap. Now they're sitting around swapping stories of the good old days. Some of them may have gone from horsepower to yard art. But deep down, some of them are just waiting for fools like us to try and fire them up again. And then there were these little guys. And start. This was one of the smallest cars Honda ever made in the US back in the early 1970s. It had a tiny 2-cylinder 600cc engine that could barely push it to highway speed. Believe it or not, these were Honda's first step into the American car market.
Is anybody interested in one of them? If not, we're going to roll them up and skin them alive.
The Z600s were cheap, light, and simple. Their top speeds were about 80 miles per hour downhill. Now they're basically conversational pieces for raccoons. Somehow 4 of these little guys ended up at this auction. The poor things went for $150 to be scrapped. It was sad because they were pretty cute. And then we found the one we came to look at, a '79 Ford F100. Robert had his eye on this one from the very start.
She was a two-tone blue truck, dirty and worn down, looking like she hadn't moved under her own power in a long time.
Of course, from a distance, she had style. Up close, however, time had not been kind. The trim was falling off, moss was clinging to the paint and windows, and the lichen seemed to love growing on the rubber seals. With the preview done, we drove toward Shreveport for the night, talking through which trucks had caught our eye. Several thunderheads were building on the horizon, and after we pulled into the hotel and parked, just as we were lugging all our baggage inside, the rain started to pour. Little did we know it was setting the stage for tomorrow, the real storm.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
The next morning, we rolled up to the auction grounds again. The rains had passed for now, and the auction yard was alive. The place was buzzing, and bidders were filing in. They had brought their trucks and trailers, and it was clear we weren't the only ones planning to drag something home.
Number 1633, got a 5-foot tractor loader bucket. Let's go here. That's 45 feet. It's 35. Everybody get 25. Everybody get up $35.
Well, while we were waiting around for the 79 to come up, we had plenty of time to roam around. We were really just there for the trucks, but you couldn't help but stop and appreciate everything else around.
That's how you start it, right?
I'm not sure. Massive Harris? Each tractor still had a certain presence, a reminder of the hard jobs they once did. I'm sure there were all kinds of stories for each one. Stories about those country tough hands that used to drive them. Stories about the storms that came and rained on the fields that they used to work. And the families that used to depend on these tractors. And then, of course, there were the trucks and the random odds and ends scattered between them.
When you're closing the old hoods, don't just push down, you have to push back and down.
And you know nothing's ever too strange to end up at an auction.
You want to get those dollars, don't you? Oh, man.
Is that Woody?
Oh, he said these are filled with Beanie Babies.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Wait, oh, sorry, look. Oh, police car, no.
Winnie the Pooh.
What'd you say?
Winnie the Pooh.
No,
The
it's
kangaroo from Winnie the Pooh.
That's Winnie the Pooh right there.
yeah. This guy looks familiar too.
in there.
It's not sure.
Always reuse a pork rinds container. Hey, that's a really good seat over there.
Yeah,
Really good tractor seat.
Really good what?
Tractor seat. I don't know what lights is going on. Oh, this is a big can.
This is a good dumpster bucket thing on wheels.
Yeah, well, there's like 3 or
I don't know what that
there's
is.
like 4 PCs in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like Dell.
Wheelbarrow?
And then there's a whole bunch of CDs.
There's a PS3.
There's a PS3 in there?
Yeah. Wait, where? Oh, yeah. Some DVD players, I think. The Sony. Mystery object in a trash bag. Of course, we were there long enough for a child to spot a dirt bike.
Can I please get the dirt bike?
Is that the motorcycle you're looking at? Dirt bike?
I wasn't looking at one over there. No.
What do you think about this, Jasmine?
Even the old Whataburger trash.
There's water over there.
The next family project. That's when we had a dilemma.
So, you want me to bid on this one?
And
You can bet on both of them.
we came for one truck. But when you spot a beauty like this, you can't just let it slip away. So we did what any old truck addicts would do and bought both. Can't see the bed.
The bed's gonna have to
see
be
how
rusted out,
rusty.
I'm sure.
And where most people see an old truck brimming with junk, Jasmine saw a masterpiece. This is now available as wall art in our Etsy shop. Yes, we had to make a second trip back to bring her home, so stay tuned for that future video. Robert made one last crawl around the 79 Ford.
Because I can't get anything to look that good.
Yeah.
Just seeing a couple holes in the floor. So, transition is good.
He said everything's good except for that top thing.
Do you think it'll run though? Probably not. Do you? Well, it needs a battery.
Well, it needs some work, but
Well, you gotta start with the battery.
this has been nibbled on.
Where's the?
How do rats eat that?
Hold on. There's no ground.
Yeah, they're both red. This is the ground.
That's the ground. Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yeah, because it goes down to the block. This one goes to here, the starter cylinder.
Those spark plugs over there don't look too good.
No, that's what, whenever we open it up, who was over here with me? They showed me this, I'm like, oh no. This thing got spark plugs in it? It does.
Oh, it already does?
Yeah, so that must be old ones. All this is locked up. But,
Wasn't she pretty?
she was pretty as a hog waller after the rain.
And she even came with a little tree. Well, the clouds decided to open up on us, and we tried to hug up against the pine trees like they were umbrellas. Turns out auctions are waterproof. The rain seemed to make no effect on the auction. It kept going as if none of us were getting soaked. It was almost our turn. The crowds were moving closer and closer to Baby Blue. But not until we won the dirt bike, of course.
F100. All right, how about to get through now? Let's go. Corner, not half. Everybody get on 175, mark down. Everybody get on 75. 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 Everybody get on $375 down. Everybody get on 75. Everybody get on 375. On three. No stop. Total $350. Put them on fire number 13. Fire number 13. Well, you're gonna have to come back down here and get two loads. That's all right. We'll be here all week.
She was finally ours. And in case we thought we had already waited long enough,
Which one would we bring home
now.
Maybe get one of the boys can drive it to school.
That's right.
Yeah.
The moped. This is nice. I kind of like this.
It is pretty cool. What you're calling a machine gun?
Yeah.
It's the.
How much you got?
I think I'm a bit on this one.
How much order do you
A lot more machine gun. That color's pretty. Never heard of that brand. I didn't realize there was a boat here. What do you call that big machine? Missing the front wheels or something, right?
They crashed
I thought it was supposed to be like that.
Yeah. They crashed it. You can even see how they crashed it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the wheels are here.
So it goes through and gets the corn.
Oh.
The two wheels are real close together to stay in the rows.
$20.
Just set it down.
Sold at $10. Number 25.
I don't have a hand. Oh. Oh, he's up there. There he is.
All right, how much you gonna give? I got 5 going. Give 7.5. 750. If it gets 750, 7.5. Sold it to him at $5 for buyer number 1.
He sees you.
Boat anchor in his flower pot, lot 51.
Whoa, he jumped fast. You don't need to catch him. I don't know where he went. You know, oh, he's out here. He's right out here on this side.
24. All right. Right over here, guys.
On the third one.
I got a water pump, a generator, air compressor, a blower. That air tank right there. It's gonna be lot number 53. I tell you what we're gonna do.
There he goes.
We're gonna all these beer cans, or I guess Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper cans.
He's doing.
This little junk right here. Tell you what. All the way down there where the men and women are. Anybody see anything here you want to buy individual before I sell the file? It's a video.
Like we're gonna suffocate out here.
All right, next lot's gonna be what? 58. I got 2. I think that air compressor. I got 2 air compressors. Well, never mind.
A lizard. Little bitty one.
You can clearly see a face.
Wait. So, since the auction hadn't gone on long enough, we crossed the road and kept it going. Hear the thunder.
Honda Coupe to number 100.
And we gotta bring the law this thing, Mark.
Let's go up here.
Look at that building.
He said he loved you. He was all right. I told him it'd be all day tomorrow decorating.
That thunder was pushing the auction along swiftly. And this old Mustang and DeSoto sold in a hurry. There was also an old wooden building. Very weathered and full of mystery. That storm was closing in, and so was the end of the auction. We got out of there to finally go have some lunch. We didn't take too long at lunch because we had to get back to loading. Some big levels. We had already survived Redneck Olympics event number 1, the 5-hour-long auction. Now for event 2. We thought making it through the auction was hard. Just wait till you see us try to get Baby Blue up on the trailer. The rules were simple. Use whatever sketchy ideas you get, and bonus points for not losing your insanity. Careful, it's slippery.
Yeah, especially, no.
Ah. Pulling the trailer.
Is that to keep the trailer from moving?
That's the plan.
Is there another one?
There's a log in there.
Can I wipe my hands on your food?
It might be hooked on this tree back here, this dead tree. Might need to pull that out. I hear it crunching the tree.
Oh yeah, the back is stuck. All of this, the dirt's like stopping it under it.
See if we can take this apart.
This is a Ranger?
Yeah, Ranger with a trim package, not a.
Oh.
You know,
Oh yeah.
Let it out again. Hold on, don't break it. We might need his levers first.
That's how we didn't like it.
had a good grip, I could probably push this up.
Wait a minute. So you get that. Oh, don't get slapped.
It looks like the truck like broke.
Whoa!
What?
There's a whole bunch of...
Oh,
Bumblebees? Yo, get out of there.
they're not gonna get me.
I'm gonna get in there and dig this stuff out.
You don't need to get stung.
Can I just hit one?
No, they all get mad at you.
This isn't...
They'll all get mad at you.
It's just super stuck. What about the other side? Does that tree stick out the other side?
Hey, if one of them come at you, BAM!
It does not look like it.
Stop.
I got it.
Hit it on the ground. Oh, that was your chance. Hey, don't hit me. Go in your shoe?
He did. He's out now.
Give it
You
a
got a
little.
hammer over there?
Because the thing was longer.
What does he
Is there a
need?
hammer over there?
Yeah.
Sledge
Yeah, it's so funny.
on the box.
Yeah. Oh, that's not a sledgehammer, is it?
Yeah, it's a maul. It's a maul hammer. See if I can just knock that little one out.
Whoa.
There's through right there.
Oh. Oh, that looks a lot better. There you go.
No! I tripped on that one.
You got it. You got it. Woo. Now, still got to be careful back there with the bumblebees. Oh, all right. The truck came down, so.
Okay.
Come on now. Oh, there's a screw in this. Yeah, go ahead and try it.
Stop moving.
The wheel doesn't roll.
Come on, just hold it. Wood.
That wheel's not turning, so it's just like piling up sand back there.
Yeah, we probably need to clean it out. I don't think we can get it in neutral. We can't get it in neutral. Try it again.
Oh, you got it in neutral?
Yeah, the key's in. The key's actually on, so
You have
that's good.
keys?
Yeah.
Also, is this wheel straight?
No.
We can actually steer it. We can. Yeah, it's got a bass sticker on the back.
I saw that.
Bass angler.
A little more.
Look at these. We just bought these, honey.
There you go.
Still good?
Of course, we just bought
Are we
this.
still good, Mom?
If you can do a little bit more.
Got a strap.
There you go. That's good.
Please strap.
Please got a strap.
Huh.
Strap.
Wow.
It's just not connected to the phone. It's not connected to the
What kind of it says Army on it.
Does?
Right here?
And also that.
No, maybe not. U.S. Sling.
What's the sling?
You think these to take air? I can air them up.
You really think that's going to take air?
I could take air.
I didn't think so.
Yeah.
What was that? Did he throw a stick up there?
I didn't do anything.
I think it was just a stick that broke and fell.
I didn't throw anything. There's a cool car back here.
Seems like the.
I think this tire back here needs to be, if we could get something
You think there's something?
that just all the sand is really working against it. Can you make some kind of little ramp, or is that, I'm not getting back there with those.
I don't know if this is gonna work. Hold on, it's gonna need to go over.
You just try to see it.
Maybe that tire
You
is
turning it back
something.
that way, right?
Maybe.
What are you hanging up on?
Oh, that's the.
Yeah.
Doesn't have enough power. Swimming in dirt.
Alright, well, I'm gonna pull back up and try to.
Well, we could totally rename this Redneck Olympic event the 1979 Truck Deadlift. Woo! Yeah, we had the wheels turned here. That was good. You got it up out of the hole.
I wish we were steering it.
Yeah.
Mom, I made a multi-layer boat.
Let's see.
Now we can pull up and back up straight to it.
Oh,
We don't-
wow. Oh,
You got another change of clothes?
Yeah, I have like 5. I just want like a hose or something. That would be
Well,
nice. There's a picture in here.
Polaroid. Somebody's trophy.
Karate.
Oh.
Karate.
Go in that toolbox and get the air compressor out. You can shoot some air in these tires.
They look broken.
This one's not. We might as well keep it aired up.
Perfect.
Okay. Which one? That one? 1,200 crickets. Wait, grasshoppers.
It's a good question.
Is this? No.
Yeah, that kind of looks like
Yeah,
it.
it is. The heck is...
Don't scare me.
How does it scare you?
I didn't know you were gonna do that. So, I don't know. It's like it's in a bind.
I can't.
I thought he said this tire was holding air, but look at it. So, long story short, the battery on the winch died, so we had to take the truck battery and put it on the winch. But then we needed to reposition the trailer, so we had to take the battery back from the winch and put it back into the truck. Robert moved the trailer around and then took the battery back out of the truck and put it into the winch. We finally got her up on the trailer, but she was crooked. Somebody had the brilliant idea to grab some ratchet straps and wrap them around a big scrap tractor and ratchet the truck over until she was straight. By this point, we were so worn out, we just wanted to find something to eat. We pulled into the Dairy Queen, everyone got out of the truck, walked all the way up to the door, closed. We pulled into the Taco Bell, everyone got out of the truck, walked up to the door, only the drive-thru was open. Finally spotted a Whataburger glowing like a beacon in the night, and you better believe we whipped right in there. This is where we're gonna have to end part 1 of this truck's story. Getting her home was an adventure all to itself. We'd gone from sunshine and rainbows to stormy weather. We decided there was a more fitting name for her, Storm, because of the weather that rolled in and because of all the obstacles it took to finally bring her back. The whole thing reminds us of what Jesus said. In this world, you will have trouble, but take heart. I have overcome the world. The storms of this life will come and go, but salvation is forever. If you haven't given your life to Christ to be renewed, He is giving you this moment right now to confess your sin and call on Him. I'm gonna call the truck Storm. What are you doing? What are you doing out there? This truck was a real-life picture of redemption for all of us.